let's talk about the chart on EPSMomentum.com. The chart here is an important part of the software. You can turn it on or off by clicking on that widget here, and it has a lot of tools integrated with it. So first, you have the ability to really do any technical analysis you may want to, drawing a line or coloring it, or Fibonacci or pitchfork, or anything you want to do in terms of technical analysis is there. You can also launch any indicator. So if I want to put moving averages, I can put moving average. I can put Bollinger Band, Bollinger Bands. I can put MACD. I can put any indicator, and it will just add up to all the current indicators we have here. You can also X out of them very easily here, and that's it. Now, one important thing, of course, is you may have noticed the three indicators that you may well be very familiar with now. The timing momentum, timing bias, and market score. I'm not going to go over their meaning, but it's important they're there. If you double click, you can remove them or bring them back in the chart. That's pretty important. Next thing is it can look at different data sets. So instead of these indicators, I can look at, for example, the dark short or the money flow. And here they are. Or I can look at the revisions, earning per share and sales from different sources. And I can go back in history. Or I can, I can click on there and look at implied vol, 30 days, or historical vol. So really different data set that you can bring in. As well, what I can do is compare stock with one another. So I can compare Microsoft to Google, for example. And when I do so, I have both Microsoft and Google on the same chart in line. And then I have the timing momentum, but then I can switch my data to something else. And I can compare the earning per share of both companies. So see how Microsoft has been going down and then flat, and Google more, higher up. I can compare to Netflix, for example, and see the difference. Right, and you can see how Netflix has had a more of a consistent upward sloping revisions than Microsoft. And again, I can switch to implied volatility, 30 days, for example, and I get the answer. Maybe take some time here. So again, very powerful chart here, and you can do very flexible, very powerful. You can also do full screen, but I think it will be very useful for you to analyze all the stocks that we have on the system. So any question, just message us at support@EPSmomentum.com, and thank you for your attention.